our car out there? So we came from that way, so that was Smithville.
Maybe.
Yeah, because we came from that way. So I saw it and I'm like, that looks like Sailboat Cove. I couldn't find the dam.
Maybe on the side.
Made it to Kansas City.